Google Play, formerly Android Market, is a digital distribution service operated and developed by Google. It serves as the official app store for devices running on Google-certified Android operating system, allowing users to browse and download applications developed with the Android Software Development Kit and published through Google. Google Play also serves as a digital media store, offering music, books, movies, and television programs. It previously offered Google hardware devices for purchase until the introduction of a separate online hardware retailer, Google Store, on March 11, 2015, and it also offered news publications and magazines before the revamp of Google News on May 15, 2018. Applications are available through Google Play either free of charge or at a cost. They can be downloaded directly on an Android device through the proprietary Play Store mobile app or by deploying the application to a device from the Google Play website. Applications exploiting hardware capabilities of a device can be targeted to users of devices with specific hardware components, such as a motion sensor or a front-facing camera. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.